Hey, hello. I want to show you how to create a CSV file and the text file, which are important for import into your Excel workbook. Without wasting much time, let's start. You need Notepad for this. So we search for Notepad and open. Okay, so this is your Notepad. So using the Notepad to create your CSV file and the text file is important. So we start with text file. But let's first understand the concept behind this. The difference between the text file and the CSV file is their delimitations, meaning each value is delimited to another value by either a command or a space between the values. So if you want to create a text file for import into your Excel, you have to space the values. Similar to it. So we have, let's say I'm creating an employee information. Let me say it's the master sheet. So I start with employee ID. I have the last name. We go to first name. After which, we take department, we space, we say email, we space, get location of the employee, we space, and we get the hire date, we space, and we take the pay rate. Okay, this one is done for the column labels. So if we can count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns. So we press enter to enter the data. So we have to present the data here also, which will be shown into your Excel spreadsheet. So assuming the employee ID is 1001 for the first employee. So the name of that employee is Kotu, space, Joseph, space, the department, space, and email, space, location, we say Kenema, we space, hire date, we say 1st May 2021, and the pay rate is 5,000. So we enter. We take for the second employee. Let's say the employee ID for the second employee is 1002. So the name is Prema Lahai. So we use this to be the department. We say B Lahai. We space. That's for the email. And the location, we say Freighter. We space. So the hire dates, we say 1st April 2008. We space. And this one we say 2000. So of course this is done. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And same way so with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after you've done this, you click on File and go to Save As. We enter, say, Master Sheet. Master Sheet. So of course, the save type is .txt. That's the file extension for this. So meaning we are creating a test file. So we save. So of course, if you check on the desktop, you can see it here, master sheet. So the other thing you have to do is, let's try to create our CSV file. But the difference between the text file and the CSV file is the delimitation. For the text file, you can see that you have space in between the values. But for the CSV file, you will have comma in between the files. So let's see. So as you can see, in between the values, you see your comma. So each value here is separated by comma. So that is how you can create your CSV file. So now if you want to save this file, you click on File and you click on Save As. Of course, let's try to manage the same name for the file. But now here, the extension is .txt and we are not creating a test file. So what we have to do, we change this one. We click on All and here we say .csv. We save it on the desktop and we click on Save. So of course we've done this. So if you can check here, you can see master sheet and a CSV file. So let's try to open this. Of course, this is what you can see. So now you can see that all the data are in order. So of course you can see the employee ID here, the last name, the first name, the department, email, the location, the hire date, and the pay rate. So this is how you can create your CSV file and that of the test file, which are very much important for import. So our next tutorial will be how to import your file, your CSV and the test file into Excel workbook. Thank you very much.